I am going to show you how we're going to do vocabulary this year for all my classes. I'm going to use the 7th grade math vocabulary as an example, but if you have me for 8th grade math, obviously you will go to the 8th grade math. If you have me for 8th grade science, you will go to there. I have all my classes set up on Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to get there. Okay. First of all, you want to go to the Ola Middle School website. Click on Faculty and Staff and scroll down till you find the M's. Okay. Here I am, Miss McCoy. So click on that, and this is my website. And you'll know it's me because that's me and my family in Disney, my favorite place. Over on the left is a tab that says Google Classroom. Okay, and if you click on that, and then click on the Google Classroom, that will take you to my Google Classroom. I have set up my classes on here, and you will go to your class. But like I said, for an example, we're going to do 7th grade math. Okay, so I'm going to click on the 7th grade math. And when you click on that, you'll see a list of topics on the left-hand side that I have set up. These are all things that we're going to be covering in 7th grade math this year. Click on the vocabulary, and I have already set up the document in Google Slides for each vocabulary list according to what class you're in. Okay, but this is 7th grade math. All right, click on the Google slide, and up comes this document. And where the first slide is the title and the name, I want you to type in your name, and you'll save it that way, and it'll save to Google Docs, and I can pull up each of your assignments and check them, make sure that you've done it, you've completed it, and it's right. So each week I will give you your vocabulary words. We'll have approximately 5 a week, maybe 6, sometimes 4. And I will give you the word and the definition. And then you will give me a sentence using that word so that I will know you know how to use the word, what the definition of the word is. And then an example. The example can be something you type out, or you can put a picture in there. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is a sentence with the word factors. Factors are the numbers you are multiplying to get a product. So my sentence that I'm going to use is 2 factors of 18 are 9 and 2. Okay, so 9 and 2 are factors of 18. All right, and then under example, I want to put a picture there. So I'm going to go to the internet, to Google, and I typed in factors, and I clicked on images. And I like this picture here that says factors of 12, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So I'm going to click on that. And you have to go to the website. You can't copy directly from Google. It won't copy for some reason. So I'm going to that website to get this picture. I'm going to right-click on the picture and say Copy Image. I'm going to go back to my document, and I'm going to paste my picture there. I need to resize it a little bit because it's too big, and move it over there. All right. So this picture tells me that I know what factors are. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Because you multiply 1 and 12 together to get 12, 2 and 6 together to get 12, and 3 and 4 together to get 12. So all these numbers right here are factors. If you have something like this on your paper, I know that you know the definition of the word. Okay, so I will have each of these set up for you every week, and all you have to do is provide the sentence and the example. Once you get used to doing this in the Google Slides, I think that it's going to take you about 45 to 60 seconds to do each word. That might be 5 minutes, 10 minutes at the most. And then we'll review them once a week. We'll probably play Kahoot. I will give you a study guide, and every 2 weeks we will have a test over the words. But you will have access to the words and the definitions wherever you are by accessing Google. You'll have them. You won't have to keep up with the paper. They'll all be on here, and I think this is going to be a great way to keep up with our vocabulary this year. If nothing else, it's going to save paper. So I hope that you're as excited about this as I am. I think this is going to be easier to keep up with. Also, you know, you have vocabulary just like last year in each of your classes. I think vocabulary is an easy way to get your grade up and keep your grade up. This should be an easy 100. I'll give you a study guide for your test, and it should be an easy 100. So let me know if you have any questions on this, and I'll help you any way I can. All right, thanks.